Hello, this is Doug Kirby with Acquire Internet Marketing, and I am going to give you a brief video tutorial of how to add holiday dates to your Google My Business Local Maps calendar profile. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have a Google Chrome web browser open, and you're going to want to make sure that you're logged in with your Google account that is associated with your administrative owner user for your Google My Business profile. We see here that we are after clicking this icon here, so we're going to close that out. The next thing we're going to do is just do a simple search for our company. And once you've done that search, if you are in fact again verifying that you are the associated user that is logged into Google Chrome, you're going to see some additional information up here, and that information is only going to be visible if in fact you are logged in as an owner to your Google My Business profile. So then the next step that we do is we're going to click on Edit Profile, and then at that point we're going to click on Hours. And then we're going to go down just here right below your current daily or weekly hours, and you're going to click the pencil next to special hours. We're going to click add a date. I am going to start with Memorial Day, which this year in 2025, it is scheduled for May 26th. So I'm going to select that on the calendar, and then I'm going to click closed. And once we've done that, let's do another date. Let's do 4th of July. So here I'm adding into the calendar. I clicked add a date. I'm going to July. I'm selecting the 4th, and I click OK, and then I select the close box. And that's going to be it for now. I'm going to go ahead and click save. And then I'm skipping this because we have a lot of companies that are in our Google My Business dashboard. So I'm going to skip that. Most likely, if you only have one location, you will not see that. And here you can see that we have submitted these to Google, these dates. And you can also see that they are, in fact, pending review. And it will say, as it says here, your edit is pending. It can take up to 10 minutes to be reviewed and approved. So once you've seen all of that, you can simply X out of this window here, and then it would be recommended that at the end of each year you set up an annual recurring event to edit or add holidays to your Google My Business, because Google does not carry these over from year to year. You have to enter those each year. And just for grins, we're going to go back here to edit our profile, and we're going to go on hours, and we are going to see that they have already been approved here under special hours. Memorial Day and 4th of July haven't been added. In fact, Google's smart enough to know that when I added this date, I did not choose Memorial Day. When we entered July 4th, I did not choose 4th of July. Google makes that synchronization to add the actual holiday name in this profile. So really that is all it takes. And I hope this is helpful to you. And we wish you the best of luck in this process, and a great year with a lot of happy holidays. All right. Thanks a ton. Take care.